Hello everyone and welcome to another video review from 3dgameman.com. I'm Rodney Reynolds and today I'm having a look at a mechanical gaming keyboard from SteelSeries. It is their Apex M500. Now what do gamers really expect from products? I believe it is build quality, it has to be durable, stylish, lots of features, as well be affordable. And I believe SteelSeries has been doing that now for over a decade. So I'm interested to see how the Apex M500 performs. This, for the most part, is a fairly basic mechanical keyboard. It has, Cherry MX switches. That's a good thing. It's illuminated. But there is a model up from this one if you are interested. It is the M800. That one is just under $200. This one is just under $100. So it really depends on what you want and really how much money you are willing to spend. Now this keyboard has Cherry MX Red gaming switches with 50 million click lifetime guarantee. The throw distance is 4 millimeters. The actuation and reset depth is 2 millimeters, and the actuation force needed is 45 centinewtons. Now this keyboard is pretty compact, but it does come with a number pad, so a traditional layout. It has full anti-ghosting support and N-key rollover. What about illumination? Can you do full color with this? No, unfortunately you cannot. Only blue. But there are 3 different breathe settings and 4 individual levels of brightness. These are the brightness keys right here, and just to the right of it are the media keys. Plus, you can have unlimited profiles, and the keys are fully programmable. Now, what do these red switches sound like? Well, have a listen. Look at the styling here on the bottom of the keyboard. To be honest, I wasn't expecting this. They have 3 quality rubber feet. It comes with a cable management system. You can have the cable coming out at the middle or on either side. The keyboard measures in at 136.43 by 440.56 by 39.52 millimeters and weighs 1,240 grams. Now the rubber cable is nice and long at 2 meters. They've incorporated Velcro on the cable if you want to tie it off, but note that it does not come with a gold-plated USB end. Now let's have a look at the software. They include a macro editor. You can assign the keys to just about anything that you'd like. You can change the brightness, or you can turn it completely off. As well, you can change the illumination effect from steady to breathe, as well as adjusting the polling rate from 125 Hz all the way up to 1000 Hz. So just shy of $100, is this keyboard worth it? Because I know what you're thinking. It does look very similar to a lot of other mechanical keyboards that are on the market. That being said though, this overall design does work. It's compact, durable, it does have tons of features. I mean, you can't, do full color lighting on it, but other than that, it is an excellent gaming keyboard, and of course, it has mechanical switches. Overall, it's a kick-ass product. Until next time, take care. Well, that's it, but I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you think this and other videos that I produce are great, please like them, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, your comments are very welcome, and if you have any questions, let me know.